The first two were converted in the US, the other four at Boeing's facility at RAAF Amberley. And the first pair of wedge tails for the Royal Australian Air Force Command and Control platform in service. It was used on such operations as the search for the missing. Turkey also flies the 737 in an AW&C configuration procured under the Peace Eagle program. They've got 4 of those aircraft called E-7Ts, or simply Peace Eagles. The Peace Eye program for South Korea saw 4 aircraft delivered to the Republic of Korea.
Wedge tail is actually an Australian bird, but very cleverly named as you see it fly past now from right to left. The first thing you see is the wedge, which is the radar, followed by the tail. And the aircraft is going to be coming in for a touch and go, and the go line, because it will touch on the runway, which is the centre line about 125 metres from the ground line.
The engines, incidentally, a pair of CFM International CFM56 turbofans.
We salute you.
Kadro reddiydi değil mi?